white man has economic security already. He has first-class citizenship already. So you're wasting your time talking to the white man. We are working on our people.
So right now, I'm waiting for a friend to come over. Then I'm gonna go to my high school. I'm just gonna meet up with some other people. Probably gonna play some wiffle baseball, throw a football around. Probably gonna record that. It's probably gonna be today's video. There you are.
Hi.
You said you were here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Well, you weren't here.
Let's go.
Video now.
Yeah.
What's your number?
It's
Look under.
Okay, everyone spam him with text.
Okay. It is. I want them to. It's 604
My God.
839 10. You should make them guess that last number. So you should bleep out that last number. Make them guess it.
I can't ride this thing. Oh, I'm going. Oh, I'm doing.
I'm sorry, man.
It's okay. It makes up. Oh, I'm a beast at this now. Dude, I want to buy one of these. I fell.
I want to try it.
I fell. I'm over.
Do this thing.
No.
Harder.
The struggle is real. Move.
I can't. Hold on. I'm getting it.
Getting destroyed.
Just a little. just a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. No, I'm not going quarterback anymore.
Say, well, what do I mean sick? If a man has forgotten his name, he's a sick man. They call that amnesia. And if you go to the so-called Negro here in America and ask him his name, he
Start.
Hey guys, this is a professional workout card. I think I'm gonna teach you how to do a thingamajigger with your hands. So jump up and pull yourself up. And
Then you get hit with the football,
yeah.
right?
You're here, ready? Yeah, it's exactly the next step.
Okay, let's see the next step.
Okay, the next step. Ow! You just don't want to do it again. You don't want to do it again except this guy don't get hit with the football.
Get hit with the feet.
Yeah. What was that? This is the box. The side of the box. The other side of the box. Another side of the box. And the last side of the box. So yeah. Found a sticker.
can't see.
Yeah, you can open that.
Oh, you just
Another fancy box. So I put a box inside of a box. It's a great box from here. PS4. What else? Okay. Can't see in there, obviously. So I got a PS4 done. Got PlayStation Plus. Star Wars classics. Star Wars, okay, I can't show you the back of this, I'm guessing. Open the other side of the box. Stuff in here. Oh, wires. Power cable. Mic. Power. That's charging. Oh, there's the controller. Nice little controller right here. Then yeah. That's it. Open the Black Ops 3 controller. Oh, it's already open. Ryan, you already opened this? Put it open. Oh, wrong way. Oh my god, beautiful. Ryan, can this be my controller?
No, that's mine.
Really? Ryan?
Are you doing it on me?
Yeah, you're in there. Moment of truth. Does it turn on? Shoot. This thing, the last thing I have to open, and I'll just show you me opening the whole thing. And there you go. I didn't record the whole thing because my phone ran out of space. Yeah. Oh my god. Check out all the features. This is sick. Going to the mall. So yeah. Here in Zoomies trying on sunglasses. But you know what I like more than trying on sunglasses? Tyler trying on sunglasses.
I tried.
Here in my garage, got this brand new Lamborghini here. Got the Blizzard of the month. Thanks for watching, guys. That was the video. It's playing some zombies now.
Why'd you die?
Yeah.
It's
Peace
only
out.
round 4.
You're not even